Beta S.A è un'azienda che si
Beta S.A is a company operating in the petrochemical sector, the gas sector, and also in the energy sector. These are sectors that require significant capabilities in terms of production, but also in terms of the thickness of the plates that need to be rolled. Given the positive years we have experienced, we decided to invest in a machine that allows us to roll a significant thickness for our industry. After getting to know various companies, we chose Davi, a company that we liked in terms of its structure, having a very well-established customer service, but also a spare parts department where we saw an important warehouse, which reassured us that at any time, if something happens, we are covered by our supplier. Obviously, being a very important machine in terms of its size, we had to prepare a bit in advance for its installation, which in the end went very well together with Davi's technicians. Behind us, we see this work of art that also allowed us to start working immediately after Davi organized a training course for our operators, which also went very well. We are very satisfied with what we purchased, because we also managed to do something that had never been done in our company before, an eccentric cone that was produced just a month ago.
Bună ziua!
Good day, my name is Albu Ionuț. I am the production manager at Beta S.A. I would like to say a few words about our experience with the company, Davi. The installation of the plate roll was about a week and was carried out by Davi technicians. We received support from them to train our 2 operators on how to use this plate roll. We use this machine for rolling plates for heat exchangers, pressure vessels in various sectors, and decompression chambers. Our experience with the company Davi is a very satisfactory one.
Vă mulțumesc!